Alright, hey everyone, we're going back to back filming here. If you hopefully watched the last video of the 2022 moving parts, I'm just cleaning up here because again, I've mentioned before, I don't have a ton of time to film videos, so whenever I can, I film them back to back. Get the cars of the way. Alright, so we're going to be looking at some Volkswagens and Porsches, old stuff. I think from the 80s is the oldest one, I could be wrong, to new stuff. Just kind of a mixed bag here. We'll get right into it. It's just in a box. We're going to randomly pull one. We have the Porsche Cayenne Turbo in black. Oh man, I say this every time. I don't know why I do this. I should have grabbed all the Porsche Cayennes. I didn't. That's too late. I just don't, again, I don't have time. Here in black, this is a new casting. It is different from the old tooling, which also is fantastic and quite tricky to get. So I'm very excited to have this one because I like the old one. They made some cool colors of it and some really hard ones to get. So hopefully we get some cool colors of this. So far only in black. And what a way to start it, because that paint looks incredible. Albeit not the prettiest looking SUV in the world, but hey, that looks good. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got another newer one. The Volkswagen Beetle. They've made a million of these from the German series. This is very similar to another blue one. I don't think I have it. I don't remember if it's a mainline. I think it's a mainline. This has a chrome base. The other one has a regular plastic base, so it is different. I know these videos are not the most exciting thing in the world, but I'm trying to have fun opening cars, adding cars to the collection. I thought I'd share it along the way. Again, I try to do what I can with what little time I have, so I always try to explore the diecast world with you guys, have you along for the journey, even though sometimes they're not quite the most crazy and exciting videos. But yeah, here's this Volkswagen Beetle Classic. A million of these now. One day I'll have to do a showcase on these. It's nice to see with the chrome base. Here's another one. A little bit of an older one. Beetle Concept in like a yellow. This is a bit of an older casting, different than some other ones. 2007 copyright date. Ooh, came right off. There's probably variations on this stuff. Does it have, what a weird way it sits. It's a bit of, excuse me, a bit of a flimsy casting. Headlights are part of the windshield. The windshield's a little big. I don't know what copyright date is on this. I have a few of them. 99. Not the best looking Beetle casting, I'd say, but this is one I did not have. Paid a few bucks for it, but hey, that's alright. You know what? I was gonna save this one, but look at that. This is really, really hard to get. The Porsche 911 from 2007. GT3, looking good in white. 2012 copyright date. People are asking like stupid money for these, and I got it for I think like $3 or $4. I don't remember, but it wasn't a lot at all. It's almost like a satin white, kind of a bit silver, honestly. A nice red interior. Is that the cage? It does. Cool. MBX on the side. GT3. One of my favorite cars of all time. Oh, here we go. Volkswagen Bus T2 in green. 2009 copyright date there. I might already have this one, but I decided to open it anyways because I'm think I do. Again, it's just one of those things where you get so many, it's hard to keep track. But a cool camo. Kind of, I guess it's, I was going to say military, but it's a lodge, so camping transporter, I guess. A kids camp, I guess you call it. Transporting kids. That'd be pretty cool. Wouldn't that be cool to have that at your camp? Oh, here we go. I feel like I might have this one as well, but I'm just going to open it. It's the Porsche Cayman. Not my favorite Porsche casting from Matchbox. It's just not very proportional. It's 2014 cover date. It's a bit long. Oh, there it goes. I just dropped it. Hopefully it didn't damage it. I think we're good. A bit dusty. We're good. It's just not quite proportional, but hey, it's a Porsche. Love my Porsches. Came in on the license plate. Classic yellow sports car. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, here we go. There's an old one. This one's actually going to be hard for me to open, but I'm going to do it. 1985. I'll let you look at the back. And here's the front. Boom. 928. In white. I think all cars should be opened, right? Keep them out of their plastic prisons. So this one has opening doors. It's crazy to think that I'm the first person to hold this car since 1985 or whatever it was. Porsche 928, 1979 copyright date. Back window's a little loose, but other than that, got suspension. I'm afraid of putting cars down on the mat like this because it rolls so well. I'm afraid of launching it. I'll launch that, but I won't launch this. It's a really cool looking Porsche. What else we got? Another Beetle. And this is from the Matchbox. Obviously Matchbox. Target exclusive series from 2021. Oh, release date, I guess, would be 2022. Said before, we don't have Target here, so I got this for a couple bucks. Adding it to the horde of ridiculous Volkswagen collection. It's a really nice color. Front detail. Top. Not too bad. Gosh, we have two more to look at here. We'll look at this one first. We have the Volkswagen Type 181, or the Thing, in gold. This is the 60th version. I don't know if this is a chase. Could be wrong. 2012 copyright date. Thought I had it, but this one's gold, and it's a little bit different than the actual normal release. I should have pulled that out, but of course I didn't. Pretty neat in gold. I wish it didn't have a blue windshield, but this thing is pretty cool. There you go. And the last one we're going to look at, pretty good one to end off on, is the Porsche 959 from 1997. And a minty card, just to rip it open. Got suspension. Paint looks a little soft, but it's all there. Classic 959, Porsche logo there. Not much in terms of detail, but does look really good. So let me line these up a little better. Got the newer Porsches in the back. Sure, let's go with that. Couple of old V-dubs. No, you can't really see these. There we go. And the 959. Sure, we'll tuck this guy in the back. There you go. You can see that there. What do you guys think? That one. I don't think I ever knew that existed. I can't remember. I just stopped chasing for it because I'm trying to get every Porsche that Matchbox makes. Anyways, a little bit of a shorter video for you guys here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Got tons more coming, and stay tuned for more.